Okay, so I engage your structure, I go down, I find your feet, and then I choose, give me something. Okay, so now that is on this side of my central axis. So this connection here, I draw on that way, and this connection here, I go forward and out. So there's a balance between your reaction to that and then the energy going there. But if there's nothing there, you just hit the person. You need to give a person a structure strong enough so I can't hit you. Now I can influence you with that structure. But if the structure's weaker than what,
Then you hit.
yeah, then you just move forward. You boom. Yeah. So that's usually the decider between how the energies are going to work up to a certain threshold, and then you'll have the. It doesn't matter what structure they give you, you just need more energy.
Here you just see the same thing with your arms. Same
Yeah,
principle.
I'm magnetic here and electric there.
Yes.
And then if you grab two hands, magnetic there, electric there.
Okay.
And so that side, I'm going that way, that side, I'm going that way.
Yeah. But actually, we have already been doing this the whole time. Now it makes sense. Is something new, or is more like
we're just increasing complexity from left and right arm to on the same arm.
So getting more perceptive about that, let's say.
Yeah. So you're doing a spiral force on one arm in and out at the same time. And there's a type of concentration to magnetic and electric at once. And then you follow the midpoint of the balance of the person. You're sending that there and that there, and they'll end up there.
Right. So if you understand it right, it's not only forward and backwards, but also this rotational component.
If you touch my arm, wherever the touch is, I had to yield, and now that you chose the direction of the way your first touch for me to where I'm going to release. Now it's going this way because you touch differently. So when you open the partner up, they decide if you just touch my arm with your thumb, that's there, then that's the yield. If you lift my arm with the bottom of your hand, that's the yield.
I chose the direction in what sense? I give you a pressure?
However you touch, I have to yield to open, and it's got to be in the line of your movement. Now it's the central axis that way, so it's going to
modify that, right?
Yeah.
If you want, yeah, sure.
You rotate according to the touch. So if the touch is there, you're going that touch is there, you're going that way. If it's more this way, then you follow the line. You grab the line, pull, and spiral it. And sometimes you're pulling and spiraling more forward or to the side or straight back. If they touch that way, that way, that way, it's just whatever direction the force points. It sets you a momentum. You can do both simultaneously. You do one, then you do the other, then you do them simultaneously. So you pull, and you pull, and you push, and you pull and push at once. Yeah, piece cake.